Hello, it's a pleasure to have you here. Has fear returned to Lagos schools? Why would someone paste a threat warning about bandits at the gate of a school? And should parents be worried despite police assurances that there is no imminent danger? Those are the questions many Lagos residents are asking after a disturbing notice allegedly appeared at the gate of a school, warning of a planned attack by bandits targeting school children. The message quickly sparked concern among parents, students, and community members, triggering fresh fears about the security of schools in Nigeria's commercial capital. As word of the threat spread, anxiety grew across social media and within local communities. Parents began sharing messages and making calls seeking information about the safety of their children. The incident comes at a time when insecurity remains a major concern across different parts of the country, making any threat involving schools particularly alarming. But was there really an imminent danger? Or was the threat designed to create panic? The Lagos State Police Command has now moved to address those fears. In a statement released by the command, authorities dismissed the threat notice and assured residents that there is currently no verified intelligence suggesting that bandits are planning to attack schools or adopt pupils anywhere in Lagos State. Despite that assurance, police officials emphasized that they are treating the matter seriously. Security agencies understand that threats involving schools cannot be ignored, especially in a country where school adoptions have occurred in several states over the years. Even when a threat appears unverified, authorities said precautionary measures must be taken to protect lives and maintain public confidence. According to the police, the Commissioner of Police, Tijani Fatai, immediately directed security assessment following reports of the threat notice. The command also ordered enhanced security around the affected area and other strategic locations across the states. The response was swift. Police personnel were deployed in collaboration with other security agencies to strengthen surveillance and reassure residents. Security presence around schools, critical infrastructure, and key public locations were reportedly increased as part of a precautionary measures aimed at preventing any potential security breach. The development highlights a challenge facing security agencies not only in Lagos, but across Nigeria. Criminal threats, rumors, and misinformation can spread rapidly, especially through social media platforms. A single notice pasted on a wall or shared online can trigger widespread panic before authorities have the opportunity to verify the facts. This is why police officials are urging residents to remain calm while investigations continue. Authorities insist that there is no evidence at this stage indicating that any organized criminal group is planning an attack on schools within Lagos State. Nevertheless, security agencies remain on alert because public safety cannot be left to chance. The Commissioner of Police also issued a strong warning to individuals who may be responsible for spreading fear among residents. According to the command, anyone found deliberately creating panic, circulating false information, or engaging in activities capable of undermining public peace will face the full consequences of the law. The warning reflects growing concern among authorities about the impact of false security alerts. While genuine threats must be reported and investigated, officials argue that fabricated warnings can cause unnecessary disruption, overwhelm emergency response systems, and create fear among citizens. For many parents, however, reassurance alone may not be enough. Across Nigeria, memories of previous school adoptions remain fresh. Incidents involving students in different parts of the country have left families understandably sensitive to any suggestion that schools may be targeted. As a result, even unverified threats often generate strong reactions. Security experts note that vigilance remains important regardless of whether a threat is eventually proven false. They argue that communities should continue working closely with security agencies by reporting suspicious movements, unfamiliar individuals, and unusual activities around schools and residential areas. Police authorities echoed that message, encouraging residents to stay alert and cooperate with law enforcement agencies. Citizens were advised to promptly report suspicious persons, objects, vehicles, or activities to the nearest police station or security formation. The incident also raises broader questions about the role of public confidence in security management. In an era where information travels instantly, authorities face the difficult task of responding quickly enough to prevent panic while conducting proper investigations. A delayed response can fuel speculation, while inadequate communication can leave room for rumors to flourish. For now, the Lagos State Police Command maintains that there is no confirmed threat against schools in the state. Security deployments have been reinforced. Surveillance has been intensified, and investigations are ongoing to determine the source of the alarming notice. Yet, the incidents serve as a reminder of the anxiety many Nigerians continue to feel about security. Whether the threat was real or fabricated, it touched a nerve because it involved children, schools, and the safety of families. Those concerns explain why the story quickly attracted attention and why many residents are closely watching developments. As authorities continue their investigation, the message from the police remains clear. There is no verified intelligence pointing to an imminent attack. Security has been strengthened, and residents should remain calm while staying vigilant. The bigger question now is this: was the notice the work of mischief makers seeking to create panic? Or is there more to the story than authorities currently know? That is a question investigators will be working to answer in the days ahead. What do you think? Did the police act quickly enough to reassure parents and protect schools? Or should even stronger security measures be introduced around educational institutions across Nigeria? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this report informative, please like this video, subscribe so you never miss important updates on security, politics, and breaking news from across Nigeria. I'm Chidera Esom. Bye for now.